Well, hello there, ladies and gents. Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com. We got a product review for you today. We're going to be reviewing these bad boys. Beef liver, no additives. They're beef liver, grass-fed liver crisps by Carnivoreaurelius and Carnivoreaurelius. He's also at Carnivoreaurelius on Instagram, and his website is Carnivoreaurelius.com. Alright, so I'm not generally a fan of most food products, and I make food products. So I'm pretty, I think probably because I make food products, I'm super strict and skeptical and really just picky on what I eat. I eat the cleanest stuff. This is one of those things that I could legit see myself buying every single day and eating every single day. Because it's super simple, super clean. Beef liver, no additives. Sea salt, no spices. Crunch, no seasonings. They come in these pouches, and one pouch contains 2 servings. A serving is described as being 0.75 ounces. I'm just going to show you all this real quick so you can get that focuses. You can pause the camera if you like. I'm going to read this out. So ingredients, grass-fed beef liver and sea salt. So we're just going to go by a 2-serving full bag breakdown here. 200 calories per container, 5 grams total fat, 6 grams total carbs, 30 grams total protein. And if y'all know anything about beef liver, you know that it's a micronutrient powerhouse, and it's got all that broken down: vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium, etc., etc., etc. Vitamin A, 7,420 micrograms. I mean, you got everything you need right here. This is literally like the daily vitamin for people that know what they're doing. And honestly, I really freaking like the taste of them. I think it's probably an acquired taste, though, because I let my crew, the Keto Brick crew, try them, and none of them were a fan, to be honest. But they also haven't been adapted as long as I've been. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I mean, it definitely smells like liver. So if you're repulsed by the smell of liver, you may have a hard time getting it past your nose, but I don't mind the smell of liver, and it looks like liver. If that focuses. It's not going to focus. Come on, head, get out of the frame here. Nope, not going to focus. It's not going to focus, but it's basically this little liver chip, and they're super crunchy. Give you a little crunch taste test here. Super crunchy, and it tastes like liver. But it's a mild liver, and it's got the sodium in there. I really like it. I opened one up the other day, and I ate the whole bag, and then I opened another bag for my crew to try, and they didn't really like it, so I ate that whole bag. I don't normally eat a bunch of liver. I like it, but it's just a hassle for me to cook. I do like liverwurst. That's pretty much the only time I really make an effort to get liver. This stuff, I can see myself buying. He's got it listed here as you can subscribe and save and get a 14-bag month's worth supply for $74.99 on his website. I would 100% totally consider just subscribing and probably getting 2 months supply, because I eat the whole bag at a time, and then literally eating one of these a day. Right now I'm having 2 meals a day. I have a fatty coffee in the morning with heavy cream and that keto brain, nootropic mix. I have a keto brick with some sardines for my meal 1 after I train. And then my meal 2 is typically like an ancestral blend of, I have been having that. That's got liver. And it's got liver, heart, and beef, grass-fed beef. Or I'll do a steak, like a ribeye steak or some ground beef with some butter, some ghee, some duck fat, something like that, maybe some beef suet. But I could totally see myself adding this to that second meal or the first meal and just getting my daily dose of liver in a crunchy, tasty convenience manner. So, huge shout out to Carnivoreaurelius for hooking me up. Definitely check them out. I'll link them in the description below. Give these a try. If you like liver even remotely, you will not be let down by the flavor, convenience, and just health that these things bring to the table. So, thanks again, man, for sending me these. I love them. You got my seal of approval. Y'all take care. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention. He hooked me up with this shirt, too. Check this out. Beef liver is the new kale. That's what I'm talking about. Appreciate you, man.